Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a Clubhouse club on Messenger. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. First, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. At the bottom of your profile you will see all the clubs you are a member of. Now tap on the club icon you want to share on Messenger. And it will take you to the club's page. Here you will see all the information about the club. Now to share the club on Messenger, tap on three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Share Club. Now swipe left and tap on Messenger. Now select the conversation you want to share. And then tap Send on top right corner. And the club will be shared to that person on Messenger. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.